Since I started the course with Cordula, I I simply have a joy and have fun creating art again. Hello, my name is Marion Gaiss. I'm from Germany. I've always been interested in the topic of collage. I lost the joy in painting, and that was a bad thing because painting is still my passion, and I missed it very much. I'm not an artist that always make the same. Time after time, I need new things, new materials, new ideas. After doing this course with Cordula, I have my confidence back. Previously, I made very large paintings and I wanted to switch to smaller formats. This is a painting I did before the course. You can see it's quite big, and you can see the Chinese girl on it, and it's also a big collage, but mostly painting. Here you see a new work I did in the course with Cordula, and for me it's a big difference to the other painting. I now only use paper on canvas, no more paint. I only need paint to make the collage paper. Since I did the course with Cordula, the way of making art changes for me. I want to present my art again for the public. Because of the course, I'm having fun creating art again. It's really makes me happy to do it every day, to try things. Don't even think about what the future will bring. Just create and have fun.